Gujarat is a place where Mahatma Ji, Gandhi Ji, where he started a great movement when he came from South Africa. Uh, Here the Sabarmati Ashram he has given a message to the whole country. The Satyagraha and the independence for this country is the only solution for all the problems. So the Congress party is still, even till today, also believes in Gandhian ideology and Gandhian principles. And not only the Gram Swaraj is also our ultimate motto. Today, unfortunately, the Swaraj which we brought by the Indian National Congress is at a serious stake, where the BJP government is not believing in democracy. It will not allow the freedom of expression, and the wealth and resources are being given into the crony capitalists, and no secular kind of a thought process in this country. He wants only decisive forces and division of the society, and by doing all these kinds of things, they want to retain the power in the country instead of building the country. So whereas the Congress Party, Indian National Congress Party, under the leadership of Mallikarjun Kharge ji and Rahul Gandhi ji today is given a call all of the country, by doing a Bharat Jodo Yatra. He has given a message to the people, the wealth and resources of this country have to be with the country and to the people of this country only, not to be given it to the crony capitalists. And there has to be, people, whoever living in this country, taken birth, are all Indians only. You should not divide the society, create hatred among them, and with that hatred, you cannot build the nation. The Congress Party believes in inclusive growth of everyone, all the sections, and the freedom of expression, and the democracy has to be built on its own true spirit of the Constitution.
Thank you.